Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix a Play Store can't download any app. So guys, if you want to download any app through Play Store, then I'll help you how to download. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to go back, and guys, after this, you need to open settings in your Android phone. So guys, here is the option of settings. You need to click here, and guys, after this, you need to click on Wi-Fi. Click here and make sure that Wi-Fi is proper connected with your phone. So guys, if already connected, then you need to click on Wi-Fi. And guys, here is the option of forget. So guys, you need to click here, and after forget, you need to reconnect it again with your phone. So guys, after doing this, you need to go back. So guys, if do not have Wi-Fi, then you open your mobile data. So guys, after doing this, you need to go back, and the second method is you need to open your Play Store, and here is the option of Play Store. You need to click here, and guys, after this, you need to click on your main profile. So guys, here is your main profile. You need to click here and click on settings, and after this, click on about. So guys, after this, here is the option of update Play Store. So guys, you need to update your Play Store. So this problem may be occurred due to update. So guys, you need to click on it, and my Play Store is up to date. So guys, if your Play Store is not updated, then here is the option of update. So guys, after update, you need to go back, and the other method is you need to open your settings in your phone, and after this, scroll it down and find app management. Here is the option of app management. You need to click here and click on app list, and guys, after this, here you need to find Google Play Store. So guys, after finding it, you need to click on Google Play Store. So guys, here you can see Google Play Store. You need to click here, and guys, after this, here is the option of storage and cache. You need to click here and click on clear cache and clear storage. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back and check that your problem is fixed or not. So guys, if still not fixed your problem, then you need to open your settings again and scroll down. And guys, after this, you need to click on system and click on reset phone and click on reset Wi-Fi settings and click on reset. So guys, after doing reset, you need to go back, and after you update, you need to update your phone. So guys, here is the option of system update, and click on online update and check that you have any update or not. So guys, here you can see my system is already up to date. So guys, if you have any kind of update on your phone, then you need to update it, and after doing update, your problem will be fixed. Then you will be able to download any kind of app in your Android phone. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.